Let me log in
No.
SAP HANA Studio. We'll start to practical the CDS views. So basically CDS views are two types. One is the HANA CDS views and ABAP CDS views, which we are going to create ABAP CDS views. HANA CDS views will create only in SAP HANA system level. So we are not touching them. Even in interview also they will not ask you about HANA CDS views. We are focusing on only ABAP CDS views, which we are going to create in S/4HANA. CDS views means these are core data services. Okay, it will not store data physically, and we will define with different annotations. We'll see how we will log in S/4HANA. You can see here, this is the screen, and you need to go to this perspective in the right side corner. We have a open perspective. Click on this, and you need to select the ABAP. We need to select the ABAP. Click open. Now we already added, so let me remove them. I am adding it. So what is our project? I am selecting this one S/4HANA. I don't know what is the client. Let me log in. Same like BW4 HANA only. How we are adding project. See 800. This is how we'll add a project into the S4 HANA. So currently we are into ABAP modeling. Expand this one, and you can expand this as well. Favorite package or something. And right click package. Now you can create here. See, go to other ABAP repository model. So we don't see any core data services. CDS views means core data services. Click on this. You can type here core data service. See here, core data services. I'm selecting this. Click on next. We need to give the name. So are you going to collect any package? Not. So we are not going to any package. So $TMP only. So we are not moving to any other system. See, while in creating the CDS view, by default these annotations will come. Okay. Example in BW4 HANA or BW HANA, we are defining start routine or end routine. Automatically code will come, right? In the same way, it will come automatically. But these are not all mandatory. Even if you want, you can comment this thing. Example, you can comment like this. Okay. And if you want to comment, this is how also you can comment. Multiple lines will comment it. Also, you can comment like this. Okay. So this here, first one is, these are all annotations. Annotations means this is, it will bring like no metadata. Lot of properties would be there in the backend. Okay. So now I'm going to give this SQL view name. Should not be same as CDS view name. This is the CDS view name. This is the CDS view name. This is the SQL view name. You can see in the top, this is SQL view name. This is the CDS view name. So this CDS view, this SQL view name should not be more than 16. Example, if I give like this, it won't allow. More than 60, it will not allow. It will throw error. See here, you are getting right, contains more than 16. It won't allow more than 16. Okay, SQL name should be 16 letters. And the CDSV name should be 30 letters, it will support. And now, so whenever we create this CDS view, automatically one SQL view and also CDS view will generate. These two, this one and this one will create automatically in the backend. Based on this SQL view name, we'll create the data source in the BW4HANA. Okay. And then this ABAP catalog compiler compare filter true. And this is checking only filters. Do you want to support filter or not? So if you don't want true, and you can make it like no control space. So when you are click on control space, is it like false or true? I mean, if you don't want to support filter, then you can keep it false. If you want to filter, then keep it true. So this is not mandatory, and okay, without this also you can run it. On this ABAP catalog preserve key, this is kind of like no, it is checking control space again. So if you want false, if you want to true. We'll discuss this preserve key. I will show you with the practically in the VBAP table, what are the keys, and do you want to make it another field as a key? We'll see that one. Okay. So we'll keep as it is true. Okay, this is checking like kind of authorization. Do you want authorization? No, as of now it is not required. So you can give privileges also. For not all guys to give the authorization to the person. So you can not allowed check. Okay, not required privilegiation. So like this we can give it. And this is label. Okay, we are going to create description, right? For example, we are going to create advanced DSO. We are giving some description, right? Kind of first CDSU we given the okay. And now if this is not mandatory and all, if you want, you can make it like okay comment. It is not required. So for every CDSU, automatically these we auto annotations will come. Now this is like no select star from data source name from which table you are going to fetch the data. Here we need to give table name. Example, I am giving VBAP. Okay. See now here. So I need to select fields, right? Control space. See here, when I click on control space, it is asking like insert all elements or different fields. If you want to select different fields, or so I'm going to select insert all elements. So whatever we have tables in fields in the VBAP table, all will come. Okay. All fields will come from the VBAP table. So if you want to see, you can go here, clicking on this SAP login pad. I'm logging into S4 HANA from here itself. Go to SC11 and VBAP table is there. So what are the keys here? You can see WebLine and POSNA. These two are keys and mandatory. See total here we client and sales document and sales document item. These three are keys. Okay, all fields to 428 fields are available. 428 fields are available. So all fields came here. Okay. Now I don't want this. Okay. So now I'm making as a key. Because here we having a key, we are making this as a key. What is the key here? Here key. Okay. Let me activate. Now just check it. Check. Do you have any issue? So activated. Now you can see here. This is like no SQL view name. This is CDS view name. You can see G first 01. This is a CDS view name. This is like SQL view name will generate automatically in the backend. So this SQL view name you can see in the backend. I'll show you. Go here and go back. I will give here. Display. Now you can see, right? Now you can see these are the fields. What are the keys here? Whatever we make, those two are key. Okay. Now I will go here and this preserve key is like no true, right? I'll make this as a key. See what it is saying. Let me activate and go. Go back and check it. How many keys are there now? See here, this Matner also key. But in the VBAP table, SAP itself given all these two keys, okay. We are maintaining the material number. If you want to maintain one more field as a key, then you can go for preserve key true. Okay. For example, I'll make this as a false. See how I'm getting this one? Control space. I'm remove this true and control space. I'm getting false. Okay. And now I'll make this as a key and then we'll see after activating it. Just activate it. Go back. See here. Even I activated also. Even I activated also. It is not taking it up because it is a preserve key. Preserve key false. That means in the VBAP table, what are the keys are there? It will take only those as a keys. Remaining it will not take because of it is a false. If you want to make any other as a key, then you need to keep it like true. Understood? Okay, I'll remove this one. Okay, now we activated this and we are using it as a control space true and activate. How you will see the results? You created the CDS views. Okay. See now, just right click on here, right click, just right click. So just right click and you can go open with, open with data preview. Now you can see, now you can see this is the results. These are the results. You can see SQL console, how many records are there, number of entries. In the VBAP table, how many are there? You can see number of entries. And the SQL console, you can see one SQL view will generate automatically. However, it is generated for ADS source. I will show you in the ADS source as well. Okay. And if you run this, same result will come. Okay. And this configuration, add filter, if you want to put any filter, right click and you can put this filter. So it will display only P109 material. P109 material only it will display. And if you want to remove, then you can remove this, right click. And if you want to put distinct values, you can go distinct values. How many values are there? See here, material P102 having 1059 and this material having 484 materials. This count it is giving. P402 111 materials are available. Like this, it will give the count, distinct count. So this is how you need to use this tool. Okay. And then close it. And if you want to see this as a, not this one, and I want to keep it like sales document number. Now you can sales number like that. Okay. Now right click and go and check it. See here, open with data preview. Still inactive. After activating, we need to go. Okay. See here, it is changed. Sales number. Sales number changed. This is not field name. Field name it is changed, right? However you want, you can keep it changes. Okay. And now, so example, if you want to here, if you make it as a like this, then it will throw error. First letter should be capital letter, or else all are capital, or else all are small letters. Example, all are capital, all are small letters. It will allow. Okay, in the middle, if you take like this, it will throw error. It will throw error. Okay, so what is throwing error? See here, syntax error. Don't use like this. Okay, so if you want to use this, you can use as a capital. Then I'm not getting any issue, right? Otherwise, it will throw error. And okay, and if you want to use this sales item, you can use it. So if you give space, it will throw error, some syntax error. So don't use spaces as well. Include. Okay. And now Right click, go to open. See, now you can see data preview, right? We'll go SQL console, we'll go dictionary log, activation annotations, annotation propagation, dependency analyzer. One by one, we'll check it. So this is the result. Now it is comment change, right? Sales number, sales item. However you want, you can change it. Now you understood, right? This is how. So directly I cannot extract into BW this one. Still I can't extract. Okay, now you can see this one, right? Now you can see, right? Go back this SQL view SC11 level and go to display. Now you can see what is this? DDL SQL view name. This is first CDS view name. Now you can see, double click on this. Now you can see the code as well. Go back. These many fields are there. Okay. And if you want to see the data, go to content. From here also you can see the data. Here also you can see the data. How many records are there total? 27,472. How many records are there here? 27,472. Okay, fine. Now we'll see other option. Go to here, open with, and now you can see console. We'll go to the SQL console. See, we already seen it. Automatically, whenever you create CDS view and also SQL view will generate in the backend. Now you can see if you run it, then automatically it will display result. Okay. SQL view generating and it is creating like no giants as well. So I'm using only one table. In the next classes, we are going to use two tables, three tables, four tables. That time it will create the giant and all. In the SQL view also it will create giant and all. We'll see that practical, okay? And now go to right click and go to open with a data dictionary log. When it is created, who created, all the details would be there here. You can see technical log when it was created, when it is date and time, who changes. All these logs will be there here. I just see when it was changed it, this sales document number, sales document item, all this will be there in this. Okay. And if you want to these problems and properties, you already removed it. And you can go to here and where you can see. Here, what is this? Properties. You can click on this properties and automatically it will come. By mistake, you close these properties. By mistake, you close these properties. And then if you want this one, go to show view and you can get back. Okay. And this dictionary log like this. Go again, open with, and you can go to active annotations. Slowly it will come active annotations. Wait. All annotation elements will come. Field by field will come. How many fields are there? More than 400 plus fields are there in this table. VBAP table. This is sales document item table. 400 fields are there. It will field by field it will give. Taking time. See here. You can go and check it all these things. Okay. We should know this all SQL view name. This is the Z first 01. See, this is the Z first 01 SQL view name. And this compiler, this compare filter true and preserve key true and authorization check first view. And now you can see a sales document coming from VBAP table, sales document, sales doc heading. Okay, all this coming from VBAP table. You can see this is the first field, sales number, sales item and this is the end user text. You can see there from where it is coming, this table only you can see here. go below. So each and every field from where it is coming, okay, all this thing giving the information. Not only one field, 400 fields it is giving. Each and every field it will give the information. If you are using multiple tables, and then it will display that those tables name as well. So currently we are using only one table, and all fields are coming from this VWAP table only. If you are using multiple tables, then we can see the difference also next classes and all. Okay. So I mean, in the real time, it will help you all these things. And now we will see dependency as well. Open V. And now this one, right? Annotation propagation. Right. It is not supporting. Fine. Dependency analyzer. So are we using this CDS view into another CDS view? And that we'll see in the next classes. You will come to know. So based on this VBAP table, you created this jet first 01 SQL view name. Okay, we didn't use much tables and all, only one table. When we have multiple tables, then you will get complete difference. Okay, these are the dependency. Based on this VBAP table, this is the dependency. Dependency. Okay, this is the table and this is stop CDS view name. Okay. So in this way, we'll design this one. Okay, CDS views, and don't use like no all. You can use all small letters or capital letters. Otherwise, you will throw the error. And don't use like no key as a capital last one. It will throw the error, syntax errors. Okay. If you want to use all small letters, and also if you want to make any constant like 1 2 3 1 2 3 as 1 2 3 as column 1 like this. Okay, if you want to make this as a constant, then you can make this as a constant as well. Example, real time we are making this K4 as a fiscal variant like this. Okay. Oh, fine. So like we can make this as a constant. Execute. Now you can see here fiscal variant is 1 2 3 for all the columns. We having almost 27,000 records, right? 27,000 records, we having 1 2 3 only constant. For all having, okay, constant. This is how we will make this as a constant in CDS view. And now if you, okay. And one more thing, not only these keys, and if you want to use this select statement, you can use as a select statement first letter, capital letters. It will not throw any error. And if you using like kind of like this, it will throw error. Okay, in the middle you are using a like capital letter. If you are using last letter, it will throw error. Okay, if you want to use first letter as a capital, then remaining you can keep it small. Or else you can use all select statement capital letters, then fine. It will not throw error. Okay, remember this as well. And if you are assigning this 0.123, right? If you don't use like this point like that, it will throw error. If you want, you can use like this. 0 point like that. Don't use define like this. It will throw the error. And if you wanted to like make a comment in the CDS view, you need to use, okay, this is comment double that. So now I wanted to make this as a comment, this one. So this it will not display. And now you can also use it double slash. For example, this is like kind of slash. So both will work. Now we'll activate and we'll see. This will not display in the result set. See, are you getting Matner? No, we are not getting it. See here, you can go here. Third column is Matnar and MAT, and directly it is throwing PMATN. It is displaying in the third column. Now you can see here. I don't see Matnar. Okay, this is how you can make it as a comment, single quote or multiple. Okay. If you want to make comment multiple lines, you need to use slash star, kind of like no slash star star and star. So example, here I will use slash star. See, all are comment only. Let me activate. See, all fields are making comment. I will use here. See here, activate. Now in this table we having only two columns will be there. See, I having only two columns. Remaining by using comment, I commented all the columns. Are you understood? Okay. And if you want to here, like no, if you want to use semicolon, or you can use semicolon as well. If you don't want, you can use. This is optional. You can if you want to use, you can use it. If you don't want, also fine. It will not throw any error. Semicolon. In the ABAP, we are using like no dot, right? Dot is ending parameter. In the CDS view, if you want to use, you can semicolon use it. Otherwise, you can leave it. Okay. And it will not throw any error, I'm saying. It will not throw any error. See, before we are not using, now we are using semicolon. It is not throwing error. Clear? And mostly they will ask you in the interview, okay, how many types of CDS views? We'll see in the next classes as well. How many types of CDS views? Okay, we'll see all these things. Next class, mostly they will ask like, no, how many annotations will come? Annotations. What is the meaning of annotation? Metadata. Annotation means metadata of the particular annotation. It will give the property, metadata of the property. Okay. Metadata of the fields. Okay, it will bring all the data. Okay, annotations. So here by default these annotations come at the data ABAP catalog, SQL view name. Okay, this is the SQL view. For every CDS view, it will create one SQL view name. Okay, this SQL view name like a 16-digit number, 16-digit alphanumeric number. And this is CDS view name. Okay, this is label text. You can we are discussing. We are giving like description. So however you are comfortable, you can display, tell them. Okay, first you need to explain this ABAP catalog, SQL view name, and the end user text label. It is coming description, and you can use pressure key. Okay, in the table level, what are the keys are we are going to use same into CDS view. And if you want to make them as a filters, you can use them. And if you want to give any authorization, you can use. And like this, you can give explanation in the interview level. Okay. And later we'll see how many types of CDS views and how we will consume one CDS view into another CDS view, how we will do the giants and associations. All these things we'll see. Okay, slowly. So this is how we will create the CDS view, very simple one. So directly I can't use this CDS view into BW. We need to use few annotations. For example, this CDS views, if you want to use at the rate analytics, at the rate analytics, data category, data category, keyboard dimension. So what I'm typing control space. I'm typing control space. Okay. Then it will behave like dimension. So if you want to extract into the BW, you need to use annotations. Analytics data extraction true. See here. Data extraction enable true. See, automatically it will come. We are not going to SAP will give. Okay, this is kind of like no annotation means metadata will come automatically. So this property will support for like no extraction. It will support for extraction. This property will support for dimension. Like it will not support for cube, right? So this is like kind of property. Metadata of this, it will bring lot of properties. Okay. At the rate. If you want to develop a one report on top of this CDS view, then use analytics, analytics that see, then only I can able to design one report on top of this. This annotation will support for to consume into the report level. Are you getting me? Okay, if you want to develop a report, then I need to use this one. Otherwise, it is not possible. If you want to bring data into CDS view into BW, then we need to use these two CDS views. So one CDS views, lot of annotations are there, lot of templates are there. So based on our requirement, we'll use. Okay. So next classes we'll see these options one by one. Okay. Okay. Any doubts still? Any doubts till now? So this is very simple to design CDS view. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see how we will use multiple tables and how we will define it. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you all.